Why do JavaScript function declarations hoist differently than expressions? Imagine writing your code and then suddenly realizing a function you used earlier isn't working. That's because JavaScript handles different types of functions in unique ways. Today, we're going to explore why function declarations and function expressions behave so differently during the process called hoisting. In JavaScript, function declarations are fully hoisted. That means both the name of the function and its entire body are moved to the top of their scope before any code runs. So, you can call a function declared this way anywhere in its scope, even before the line where you wrote the function. For example, if you write a function declaration after a console log that calls it, it still works perfectly. On the other hand, function expressions are treated as variable assignments. When the JavaScript engine sees a function expression, it only hoists the variable name, not the function itself. If you declare a function expression with a variable like var or let, only the variable name is hoisted. The actual function isn't assigned until the code reaches that line. So, trying to call the function before its assignment causes an error. Let's look at an example with var. If you write console.log with a variable that will hold a function and call it before the assignment, you get an error because the variable is undefined at that point. But with a function declaration, the function is fully available even before the declaration line. This difference is rooted in how JavaScript processes code. During the compile phase, it fully hoists function declarations because they are part of the language syntax. But function expressions are just assignments to variables, so only the variable name is hoisted, not the value. Understanding this helps you write better, more predictable code. If you need a function to be available everywhere in its scope, use a function declaration. If you want to assign a function to a variable, remember that you can't call it before the assignment line. Arrow functions are always expressions, so they follow the same rules as function expressions. In essence, function declarations hoist the entire function, making it accessible early. Function expressions hoist only the variable name, which means the function isn't available until the code reaches that point. Knowing this difference is key to avoiding bugs and writing clear JavaScript code that works exactly as you expect.